Hello friends and welcome back in the Python tutorials Learning Simplified. Today we'll be discussing about some basic print commands and getting started with Python. So this is what your Jupyter workspace look like, and this is the home page which opens in your local browser. Now what you do is you make a new folder, going here new, and you find your folder, you create a folder. I've already created one, and you go to Python, whatever name you want to give Python. I have given Python tutorials. New Python 3 notebook. It will open in a different tab. Click on untitled and name here like you're getting started. So we can just write getting started in Python. Just show you how friendly this language is. So I will just write the print statement. I'll go to markdown. Make sure you have double hash and shift enter. Now what happens in the print statement, I can simply write print and I'll write, okay, this is the cliche, hello world, and it prints hello world. I simply write print, hi, I am Priyanka, and this says hi, I am Priyanka. Okay, so now let's see the basic operations in Python. Basic operations in Python. Okay, Python. I write here, I want to make it as a markdown, so I'll make it a markdown. Code markdown. What are the basic operations? Okay, I can simply write here, like suppose I want to perform some addition, so I just write this will give me 68. Simply just write it and it will give you answer. I just want to perform some multiplication, shift hit and enter, it will give you. Suppose I want some square of it, okay, I write exponential 2, it gives me an answer. Suppose I want to divide this by 7 and it gives me an answer. Suppose I only want integer values, so I give this floor division, it gives me only 6. Suppose I want only remainder, so I write modulus and it will give me only the remainder. So 45 when divided by 7, the remainder is 3. Now what if I want I just want to subtract two numbers, so I just subtracted and I get the answer. So this is very easy. You can perform basic operations, just getting a heck of, just getting a feel of Python. So I can also perform, various operations like into 56, then plus 78, then minus 67. This gives me an answer. Okay. All right. Now let's come to conversion part of it. Conversion. Again, go to markdown and hit shift and enter. What do I want? Now let's convert. Let's see what is this. I'm giving a string and this string is suppose 123.45 and it is converted into a string. This is the keyword I use, str. str is a keyword here which converts numbers into string. Okay, and I want it as a comment. Now another thing, let's convert string into integer. So I write int and I can just, when I have these codes, that means it's a string. So when you convert it, you get the output. This has been converted into. Now if you want to check the type, just check type of okay, now let's see. Okay, a, I store it in a, I type of a and this gives me int. Okay, now so this has been the conversion from string to integer, integer to string. Basic operations. Now I just also want to show you one more thing regarding complex numbers. Complex numbers. Now suppose I write here a equals to, suppose I write here 5 plus 3j, and I print what? I print the type of a. What does it give me? Complex. Now this is one part of it. Next I just want to print a. This gives me this thing. Now I want to print the imaginary number, so I just write print img. This gives me, sorry, imag, imaginary. This is 3, so this is the complex, real and imaginary number. So 3 is the imaginary here. Now suppose I write a dot real. This gives me 5. Okay. Now what if I want to take an input? I want to take an input. Take an input from user. How do I write it? So what I do is I write, suppose I write here value equals to, I write input, again it is a keyword, and I write here enter your name, right? And what I write here print value. So it will just give me a bar saying enter your name, and I write here Priyanka. So this gives me Priyanka, right? Similarly, I can just write again here one more, suppose value 2, and I write here input, input enter your surname, right? So, and I write here print value 2. So first it asks me what is my name, and I write here Priyanka. It says what is your surname, and I write here Sharma. So it's just gives me Priyanka Sharma. Okay, so this is just a hack of just getting a feel of Python, the Jupyter notebook, the development, integrated development environment, how it works, and it's very interesting to work in such an interactive platform. So see you guys in next tutorials where we see in details the basic operations and the data types in Python. Thank you.